vlog.
Watch out. My vlog. I know you guys are tired of seeing me in this old hat. But that's okay, because your girl is coming.
So I'm going to take off your hat soon.
No, it's okay.
You slap
The hat is fine.
you get out the house.
But guys, y'all just wait, okay? Because your girl finna come out.
Are we in here and I got to take off your mask now?
No, I'm not take off the shit. We only afraid of COVID. Me don't want it to come back again. Me don't want it to lick me again. Me don't want it to nuts. Me don't want it. So I'm keeping it on my ass. I don't care. Call me crazy. Well, I'd rather be crazy than have COVID again. But guys, your girl soon fix up herself and nice up on, you know, all these things. Gonna soon say the real meat come out, you know? No, this is the real meat, right? But the soon say the glammed up meat. When soon she soon come back, she soon make back fair debut on this channel here. Yes, because I'm tired of wearing this hat. I'm tired of looking like a bum. I'm tired of these old tired ass braids. And yeah, I'm just waiting to get better. I want to go get tested to make sure that this nasty virus is completely out of my system. And then I'm going to go get my hair braided. I think I might want to get braids. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that, you know. Well, right now, guys, we heading to h.e.b. to go get some fruits because we're trying to change our lifestyle. You know, we're trying to eat healthier, stuff like that. COVID really, hubby always eat clean and I eat good and
me drop off.
You're serious? I don't even see it. Are you serious? I used to do it. Okay.
Me no cut you. And she make me drop off because you know, me I do my thing good and you know what I mean? You know the fried down chicken? The brown stew, the real brown stew, not stew chicken, you know.
Right now.
Anytime I dip on my thing, with I dip on my fasting her, so she always cook it and you know me weak to it. Yeah. And then me just turn back. So what me I go do? Me I go do 2 weeks. What just fruits and water. 2 weeks.
Cleanse up what the body.
And then yeah, make it body repair itself because when you eat the tough, the rice and peas and the oxtail and the this and the that, all of them Jamaican food there, plus the American peas and your body like overwork. Me call it the grinder in here. If you grind down the food for you pass it out, that overwork. You understand? So they do 2 weeks worth of water and fruits only to make the body just repair back itself and thing. Right. You know what I mean? So that's why we are going to now go get some fruits, you know what I mean?
Fruits, yeah guys, so we're gonna get some fruits and stuff. Hubby's always encouraging me some beers if you eat right and whatever. I do need to eat right because I did put on a lot of better weight during the pandemic. I put on weight. You guys are gonna see my weight gain in the videos. But it's just one of those things, you know? I just gotta get it together, you know? Yeah, I just gotta get it together and I will be fine. I'm gonna start working out. You're supposed to be starting back school, so I have a little bit of more time for myself in the day where I can work out and stuff.
Me start work out this evening. Since evening, you know what I mean? But
and guess what? Start work out and the hemi start hooked up on you.
Yeah.
You have to say because you move too quick.
Yeah, me and my dad got a good workout.
Yeah.
Take time, you know, take time and go in back. Because the enemy look like it ready to attack him again and we can't manage that.
Mama.
So you have to just keep lay low, make this week go off, and we start fresh Monday, you know?
Yeah.
Start work a new regimen, eating clean, drinking a whole lot of water and stuff because guys, maybe if we did more healthier, the COVID wouldn't lick me so. Right. You understand me? I
realize you not doing nothing like that.
Yeah.
Like what you do.
Right.
Okay.
So when I was going through the COVID, it's sad that it took COVID for me to realize that I need to get my act together. But while I was going through the COVID, I was like, Jesus Christ, God, if you spare my life, if you help me get through this, may I just live a better, healthier lifestyle. Because when your body healthy and your immune system strong, then could have COVID a little more. Your body is so healthy and strong to fight it off. So, you know, it really does play a part in, you know, trying to combat this virus and stuff like that, and other sicknesses that's out there. So guys, yeah.
And guess what now? The big man the big man remember everything, you know. Remember she said if you help me go through the COVID, me I go eat healthy, me I go do this and that, and the big man forget, you know.
Right.
So she have to do the right thing. Nothing. You understand me I say? So we're going to do now, reach now h.e.b. Yeah, we link you now and make sure now one we're going to pick up around there.
Guys, so we're here at h.e.b. You see the mango tomorrow, run come.
We found all the mango.
So we're there and they pick up some mango.
I can't eat tonight.
But eventually.
We'll still find mango, right? That's my dog.
Right, and then you just drag it.
Can you put my phone in your purse?
Boy, that phone I want to wipe off, I can put it on my purse.
Everybody got it?
Somebody must go over there, so I can butt sneeze. Me know me not go over there, so. So I carry one around there. I'm just really can't wait to come out to the store here to come up paranoid. Here I get some strawberry. Here I get strawberry. Blueberry. Huh?
What am I looking at?
No. Oh, hold them package them things. They have some more strawberry over there, so. They got some more right here.
You know what I'm specialist, right?
Yeah, I love them. Love cherry. I'm not talk you in a cherry, so nobody can watch the video think so we talk so we love you, you know.
We love it, cherry.
I joke at me. We love your cherry. We love this cherry and we love our friend cherry. Alright. So we'll get some cherry. What else can I get? Plum? Oh, what that?
Fig.
Fig, okay.
Yeah, but it's sell by the box.
Probably.
I want some prune too.
Oh yeah, you did say you was gonna get some.
Yeah. Can I eat up this?
The one that's a seeded. That's the one with the seed.
We're not getting a grip with everything. So I'm going to start with that. Oh, find a nice one. Feed. Let's feed it.
Alright guys, so this is what we have so far. We got mangoes, we got cherries, we got strawberry,
I got $1 worth.
blueberry, raspberry.
What you want now, baby? Come here and eat the plum them busy done. And all of that.
I like these.
You like them?
Yeah. What are they called? Nectarine.
What them there? When you,
Them yeah.
are them names up?
Yeah.
I'll take sure of this.
Alright.
I take a plum.
Yeah.
Black plum. You sound like me, man.
H.e.b. Their stuff is always fresh and look nice. The darker purple ones, I think, are the sweeter ones.
The what?
The darker the purple they are.
Sweet type, eh?
Yeah.
There, I wait for babes now. Babes now place to buy something. I'm going there, I go want something to eat. I'm not switch from myself with me, I go do. You see me? She soon get through, right?
Yeah. Daddy, you like my new wallpaper from our lock screen?
Yeah.
And then look at the other one. 2 pictures of me.
On your phone, man? So
Yeah.
put up on it. Yeah. Yeah, man. Going
That's
on
you, Daddy.
Yeah. Going on a fresh. Get a big bowl. Wash up my fruits them.
The other day when you was on Snapchat on your phone, I saw me on there.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I saw my Bitmoji.
Oh. I'm gonna mash up them fruits here now. Heal back my body, you know?
I'm finna play one of my games.
Eh?
I said I'm finna play one of my games.
Go on, man.
Mama up there.
Yeah, she up there already. Me and my son is chilling, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. He playing game. I'm vlogging, right, boy?
I'm playing Subway Surfers. I'm a ninja, Daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jump on flick me, feel. Aya. Aya. Aya.
I can roll too. Look.
Yeah. Wow.
I think that this game was created before I was born.
Yeah.
I think so. But it was still popping back in like 2013.